Previously, we were using the bold.new on the application, which actually lets you create full stack applications without any sort of code. You simply have to give it a prompt and all your requirements, and it is going to create, edit, and deploy full stack applications using your preferred LLM. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the bold.new locally on your system and then integrate it with Ollama to freely use all the cloud LLMs to generate great applications without having to worry about the cost for the context window. Alright, so let's get started. Before actually moving towards installing the bold.new locally on our system and integrating it with Ollama, we first need to make sure that we meet all the prerequisites. So in order to install Bolt locally, you need to have Node.js downloaded and configured on your system. Moreover, you also need to have Ollama. If you don't already have it, go to ollama.com and you can download it from here according to your operating system. And in addition to Node.js, you also need to have npm installed and configured, which will be needed for the installation of Bolt. After fulfilling all the prerequisites, now you need to head to the official GitHub repo, which is bold.new LLM. And the first thing that we need to do is to clone this GitHub repo on a local system. And for that, I'm gonna open a new terminal window, and inside the terminal, I'm gonna run the command git clone and then provide the URL for the GitHub repo. Once you do that, it is going to clone everything inside this bold.new LLM folder. So now I'm gonna move inside the folder using the command cd and the name of the folder, which is bold.new LLM. Once you have successfully cloned the repo, now the next thing is to download the model using the Ollama. So you have to go to Ollama and search for any model that you want. For this video, I'm going to be using the Qwen 2.5 coder, and in order to install it in Ollama, this is the command that you need to use. So I'm simply going to copy this command from here, head back to my terminal, and I'm going to run the command right here inside the terminal. It is going to perform all the steps for the installation, and once the model is successfully downloaded in Ollama, you will get a cursor like this, which will prompt you to send a message. But we don't want to currently interact with the model, so I'm gonna come out of the model. Next, you need to open your VS Code, and from here you have to go to File and click on Open Folder. And from here you have to browse to the location where you have cloned the GitHub repo and open that folder. Once the directory for the bold.new LLM is created, I'm going to go inside it and create a new file. I'm going to call it model file, and there isn't going to be any extension for this file. Inside this file, we have to actually provide configuration for our model which we are going to use, which in this case is Qwen 2.5 coder 7 billion parameter model. Here we actually have to provide two things. Firstly, we need to provide the model name using the from argument. So here after from, you actually need to provide the name of your Ollama model. So the name of my model is Qwen 2.5 coder. So I'm going to copy it and paste it right here after the from. Then we are going to set the parameters. So I'm going to use the keyword for the parameter, and here you actually have to provide the context window size. So the parameter for the context window length is numctx, and here you actually have to provide the value for the context window, which for this particular model is this value. You can go ahead and find it in the model card on the Ollama page. Once you have set both of these models, simply go ahead and save it. Next, we are going to use this model file to actually create this model on the Ollama. For that, we are going to head to the terminal once again and run the command ollama create-f. Then provide the name of your file, which is model file, and then provide the name of your model, which is Qwen 2.5 coder 7b. Once you do that, simply hit enter, and it is going to read the model data, create the parameters layers, create the config layers, and then write everything inside the manifest. Once it is successfully done, you will get a success message, and you can confirm the installation of this model using the command ollama list. Hit enter, and here you will see the model which we have just added. Now we need to run the application. For that, you have two options. Either you can run it with the Docker, and inside the Docker it has also provided you different commands which you can use, this one being the most easy one. And the second option is to run it without the Docker, but for that you need to have the pnpm package installed on your system. If you don't already have the pnpm package installed on your system, simply copy this command from here, head back to the terminal and paste it right here. And it is going to install the pnpm package for you. Next, we need to install all the dependencies required for the pnpm package. For that, we are going to run the command pnpm install, and it is going to download and install all the dependencies which are needed by this package. And once this is done, the only thing that is left is to actually run the development environment. For that, we are going to run the command pnpm run dev. Hit enter, and it is going to start and run the application for you. And once the application is successfully started, it is going to provide you a URL for the local host where the application is running. So let's go ahead and go to this URL to test out the locally installed bolt.new. So this is how the interface for the bolt looks like on your local system. Here you can see that we have the option to choose the provider. If you click on the drop down menu, you have a wide variety of options. Out of all of these options, you want to select the Ollama. And once you select Ollama, it is going to provide you the two models which you have added. So currently I've added the 2.5 Coder models. So you can either go with the latest one or with the 7 billion model. I'm going to go with the 7 billion model. And then right here, you have to provide it the prompts. So I'm going to say, create an interactive homepage for an e-commerce website and then simply run it. Once you do that, it will show you that it is using the Qwen 2.5 coder provided by the Ollama. And here you can see that it has started generating the code for the e-commerce website interactive homepage. And here is the preview for our application. You can see we have a banner with a shop now button. We have featured products like crossbody leather bag, a watch, shoes, jeans, etc. We also have the option to shop by category, where it has provided 3 different categories for us. We also have a footer, a top navigation bar, etc. Next, I'm going to ask it to generate code in the C++ language. For that, I'm going to say, provide C++ code for linear search. Let's run it. It is once again going to use Ollama, and here it has provided us the code. Let's scroll down to see the output. Here you can see that we have a very simple and easy to understand C++ code for the linear search, which has also included a function as a feature instead of providing all the code inside the main function. So that's really cool. So in this way, you can install the bolt.new locally on your system and then use different type of cloud LLMs with it using Ollama without having to worry about the cost for the context window. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.